What's up, everyone? Today we're investigating Mining Race, a Bitcoin cloud mining platform promising community rewards and easy mining profits. But is Mining Race actually legitimate, or is it another cloud mining scam? Let's break it down. So, Mining Race markets itself as a community based Bitcoin mining program where participants called racers supposedly earn more rewards by mining together rather than solo. They promise additional incentives and claim you'll earn more than mining individually. Sounds great, right? Here's the reality: some critical warning signs. Cloud mining is one of the most common crypto scams out there. Here's how these scams typically work. They promise you've earned Bitcoin through automated mining. Your balance grows on screen, looks impressive, but when you try to withdraw, that's when the trap springs. First, they'll ask for a small fee to process your withdrawal, maybe $64 to $76 in Bitcoin to complete the transfer. This is a huge red flag. Legitimate platforms deduct fees from your balance. They never ask you to pay extra money to access your own earnings. If you pay the first fee, they'll invent more tax payments, account activation fees, insurance deposits, or verification charges. Each time you pay, there's another excuse why you can't withdraw. This continues until you run out of money or realize you've been scammed. Security experts warn that if a mining platform requires deposits to unlock withdrawals, you're being scammed. No legitimate service operates this way. Mining Race and similar platforms make money from you, either through upfront mining packages you purchase, referral commissions when you recruit friends, withdrawal fees that you pay but never receive your money, or personal data they collect and potentially sell. Meanwhile, no actual Bitcoin mining is happening. The numbers on screen are fake, designed to make you believe you're earning when you're actually being set up for the withdrawal scam. Even legitimate cloud mining is rarely profitable because mining costs in terms of hardware, electricity, and maintenance usually exceed the Bitcoin you earn. Most cloud mining platforms are either outright scams or unprofitable ventures where only the company makes money. The final verdict: Mining Race is almost certainly a scam. Cloud mining platforms with withdrawal fees, community reward schemes, and promises of guaranteed profits are massive red flags. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, buy it directly from regulated exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. Don't gamble on cloud mining. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.